companies picked to spearhead this deal do not pay the 30% corporate tax. Shielding the three companies from this tax is the reason Ruto told Kenyans that it was a G2G deal. Your guess is as good as mine on who is pocketing the unpaid corporate tax. But the burden of the unpaid corporate tax is passed to Kenyans at the pump. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our stand as Lazima. 1. Ruto must immediately cancel the contract and revert to the open tender system, which ensured guaranteed supply of petroleum products. It has assigned responsibility to various players as opposed to the so-called G2G that is making Kenyans depend on inefficient and corrupt players. The open tender system was efficient, accountable, and competitive, and offered prices commensurate with international pricing model. 2. The Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission needs to move in, not to sanitize, but to get to the bottom of how and why we got into this deal and who is benefiting from it. 3. The men and women who came up with this self-serving deal must be surcharged and sacked. 4. The government must restore taxes to 8% from the 16% that came with the Finance Act. 5. The government must make public the so-called MOU between Kenya and Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates. 6. The Ministry of Energy and Petroleum must make public the deal is signed with oil companies. 7. The Ministry of Energy and Petroleum must make public the supplier purchase agreement it signed with the oil companies. 8. The EACC and the Director of Criminal Investigations must investigate the tax compliance status and pricing model of the three oil companies. 9. We need a comprehensive brief on what the move by Uganda to pursue much of its petroleum needs through the Tanzanian Central Corridor means to our country, especially to the future of the Kenya Pipeline Company. End of statement. Thank you.
Labda kwa Kiswahili, Mheshimiwa Raila, katika siku za majuzi tumeona kama kuna mfanyabiashara tata ambaye anadai kwamba mafuta yake ambaye alileta ilinyakuliwa na serikali. Labda kwa mtazamo wako unaweza semaje kuhusiana na hayo? Kisha cha pili, where does this revelation of yours now put the ongoing national dialogue talks? Thank you.
Yale ambayo yanafanyika, hiyo wafanyabiashara yenyewe inadhihirisha ukweli. Yale ni wale watu ambaye wametofautiana pamoja. Sasa mwingine anasema huyu hii shehena ni yangu, mwingine anasema hii shehena ni yangu. Wale pamoja. Hata wewe mwenyewe unaweza kushangaa yale ambayo yanafanyika. Mbona kama kuna shida mtu anashikwa usiku anafungwa macho? Kwa sababu gani? Kama jamaa hajaiba, hajafanya chochote, kama hata yeye ni mwizi, mbona ashikwe mchana na apeleke mahakamani? Ni wale ni wao wezi wawili wanashikana peke yao. Upande mwingine sisi tuko na washirika wetu ambayo